Folks, the smartest hedge fund in the whole wide world has now quadrupled its Tesla stock and boosted its AMC bet by 38%. 38%, folks. This is really a very bullish news. Why? Because this is not your regular hedge fund. This is a hedge fund funded by Jim Simons. Renaissance Technology. Renaissance Technology is one of those funds that barely lose money. And whenever they make money, they make big money. So we have this article where the filing shows that not only they quadrupled the Tesla position in their fund, but they also increased the position in AMC. At a point, they were holding AMC back in 2019 around 20 million shares. And of course, they sold a little bit, they buy a little bit. And since the beginning of this year, they kept buying more and more. Now, why is this even more interesting? First of all, they are buying Tesla. They are quadrupling their Tesla stock, okay? And they're increasing positions into AMC. This is a fund that is based on artificial intelligence. This is a fund based on coding breaking. This is a fund based on, we look at the math, we look at the data, and we have highly advanced technology that we use in order to make predictions before we actually get into any type of stock we want to buy. All right. So when you look at where the market is heading, people are calling for, crash and crash and crash and crash and crash. But here we are yet to see that happening. Of course, we had some pullbacks which are healthy, time to time, but we are still in a very bullish market. So the fact that they are increasing their positions into Tesla, which is also another huge shorted stock since it hit new all-time high around 1300. I mean, the fact that the CEO Elon Musk is selling doesn't help, but they see value, they have conviction, and that's why they are going against most of the investors in the market. Now, if it was only AMC, people would have said, well, maybe, they are lending shares, but no, they have the exact same conviction getting into AMC, and that's why they increase even more. So if you ask me, this is pretty damn bullish for the short term, all right? Because the last time they bought, a couple of months after, we see this flying. So will we see the same thing again? Nobody knows. Nobody knows for sure, because anything is true in the stock market is never ever be certain about tomorrow, especially with AMC stock. So let's see how things evolve in the near future. But if this was any other fund or any other bank, I will say, man, maybe they're just lending shares. But no. When it comes to Renaissance Tech, man, this is a huge deal, people. This is a huge deal.